Hi everyone, this is practice formative of chapter 3, integration, question number 4, 5, and 6. Now let's look at question number 4. We are given the function fx and f prime x. Okay, we need to express this in terms of factor, in factor form. So let's write down f prime x and integrate the f prime x with respect to dx. So isn't it this one is actually, get back the fx, so equals to f prime x times with the fx. So let's put this 4x cubed minus 6x squared and multiply with the function fx, which is x to the power 4 minus 2x to the power 3. Let's factorize this because we're supposed to leave our answer in a factor form. Okay, so over here we can factorize 2x squared. So the first term left with 2x, the second term left with negative 3. And then for this part, we can factorize x cubed. And the first term we left with x, the second term left with 2. So combine the x cubed and the 2x squared. We'll multiply them. So we will have 2x to the power of 5. And then we have 2x minus 3, x minus 2. So that's it. This is the factor form. Okay, number 4. Next, let's go to number 5. Number 5, we are given y equals to 2x minus 6. Now, I can choose to write in two separate terms instead of a quotient form. Because I don't want to apply the quotient rules, I go the easy way. So 2x minus 6 can be written as 2x over x, which is 2. And then minus 6, the x I can bring up and write in the negative index form. So from there, we differentiate this. So we will have, bring this down to the front, multiply with negative 6. So we have positive 6x to the power of negative 2. So for this one, we got the answer. Either we leave the answer like this or we write 6x squared. So this is part A. And next part B, we have to solve. So for part B, we have to solve 4 plus. You integrate the differentiated expression with respect to dx. So you already differentiate and then you integrate, isn't it? You get back yourself, get back the original self. So 4 plus y, okay, and y is actually 2 minus 6 over x, okay, equals to 0. And therefore, 6 over x, bring this over, equals to 4 plus 2, which is 6. Therefore, to find x, swap the position. So we got 1. So the answer x equals to 1. And next, number 6. Given that f prime x, that means after we differentiate, we get a new function, gx. So now we need to find 3fx divided by, you integrate the gx. Okay, we can write like this, 3fx. Integrate, what is gx? Gx is actually f prime x. F prime x. F prime x means the differentiated function. So you differentiate and you integrate. So it's go back to its original self, which is fx. So you simplify the whole function fx. The answer is 3. So that's it for question number 6.